Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by focusing on the folder you actually use. Open Outlook and navigate to that mailbox or folder. Once there, go to View then View Settings. This gives you access to conditional formatting, where visual rules live. Click Conditional Formatting and press Add to create a new highlight set. Name it clearly so you remember its purpose. For example, Important from Manager. Make sure you remain in the folder while creating the rule so it applies to the correct view. You now define what triggers the highlight and how it looks. Click Font to choose a readable color, bolding, or size. Pick contrasts that stand out but remain scannable. Then click Condition to add criteria, from specific addresses, particular subject words, or importance set to high. Use the Advanced tab for multiple fields and choose inverses or to combine rules precisely. Once conditions match, your selected style will apply immediately in that folder, making important messages pop visually. You finish by saving and testing the new highlight. Click OK, apply and send or move test messages that meet your conditions so you can confirm the appearance. If you need to move mail as well, combine conditional formatting with a rule, Home right arrow rules, that organizes messages into folders while retaining the view highlight. If highlights don't appear, make sure you're in the correct folder view, verify rule precedents, and restart Outlook or clear cached profiles. Those steps usually resolve visibility issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.